Samsung has launched a ton of its new smartphones recently, be it the Galaxy S series, the M series or the Galaxy A series. Now following the trend is the new Galaxy A30, which seems pretty good on paper. However, having used the device for the past 2 weeks, I find it kind of hard to understand what Samsung was actually thinking with this device. Hey guys, it's Varun from Mr. Phone, and today I'll be talking about the Galaxy A30 and why I feel it is the best phone that should not have existed. Allow me to cut some things short. The reason why I feel the Galaxy A30 should not exist is because we already have the Galaxy M30. I mean, the Galaxy A30 is basically a trimmed down version of the Galaxy M30, except that it still manages to cost us 2000 extra more. Don't believe me? Well, let's take a look. First off, there's the display, which is identical to the M30. And trust me, I love it. The display on this is pretty much the best in a budget smartphone that you can get. The 6.4-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display makes everything look crispy and appealing. Also, it is Widevine L1 certified, so Netflix and Amazon Prime at the highest resolutions are not a problem. The overall design of this phone is great too. You instantly get that grippiness from the device despite its size. Under the hood, there's Exynos 7904 with 4GB of RAM, and well, performance here is decent. Oh wait, aren't those the same specs as the Galaxy M30? Yeah. And just like the Galaxy M30, the A30 performs decently. I'll give credit where it is due, which is that I am yet to face any lag or hiccups in the normal day-to-day activities. However, try gaming on this and you'll hold your head. I tried playing PUBG on this, and while the device was able to run it at a medium graphics setting and Ultra FPS, it did crash out randomly after a good 20 to 25 minutes. And those random crashes just keep on happening. Basically, in reference to gaming, the Galaxy A30 is good, but it's just not reliable. Now, if cameras are what interests you, the Galaxy A30 could be a good option. I mean, it's no Redmi Note 7 Pro, but it still ain't bad either. The Galaxy A30 comes with a 16 megapixel primary shooter alongside a 5 megapixel ultra-wide shooter. I have always admired such a setup where you can choose between standard and ultra-wide. In the camera samples on your screen, you can see that the Galaxy A30 does a decent job. The subject looks clear and even the portrait mode looks good despite the lack of a depth sensor. In night photography, the noise does start to creep in, but I wouldn't expect anything better from a device at this price point. Oh, by the way, the Galaxy M30 has a triple camera setup on the back. Just saying. Anyway, over to the front, and the selfies are great too. In clear Samsung fashion, there is a noticeable amount of saturation present here. Also, the images are slightly soft, so there's that. Is that a deal breaker though? Not entirely, but yeah, I do expect a bit better from Samsung. Now, one area where the Galaxy A30 does win over the M30 is the UI. Yes, they're both Samsung, but the Galaxy A30 comes with the latest One UI based on Android 9 Pie. And trust me, it is such a pleasure to use. Yes, my vote for the favorite OS still goes to Oxygen OS, but thanks to its optimization for one-handed usage, One UI might just be the next best thing. And just when things were looking good for the Galaxy A30, the M30 comes with its beefy battery. You see, the Galaxy A30 comes with a beefy 4000 mAh battery, which is quite big, but is still shadowed by the 5000 mAh battery on the Galaxy M30. Now when it comes to charging, the Galaxy A30 supports a fast charge of up to 15 watt, which in my testing took a little over 100 minutes to fully charge the device. Now, on to the verdict. Is the Galaxy A30 really that good? You see, the only advantage that the Galaxy A30 has over the Galaxy M30 is the UI. It has Samsung's latest One UI, whereas the Galaxy M30 comes with the older Samsung Experience 9.5. However, even that aspect can be fixed by a software update, which should be coming in the next few weeks. Apart from that, the Galaxy M30 offers basically everything that the Galaxy A30 does, and then some. In fact, it actually improves upon it. You see, the Galaxy M30 offers a triple camera setup, an extra 1000 mAh battery, the same display and what not. So if you can save up to rupees 2000, then why not? There is something to be said about the Galaxy A30, which is its offline availability. You see, the Galaxy M30 is available for sale only via online channels. However, the Galaxy A30 is for those who actually want to go to a retail store and purchase it in front of their eyes. Charging a premium of rupees 2000 or actually even more might not seem worth to most, but then again, the Galaxy A30 does give you an option. All that said, personally, I feel that if you like the Galaxy A30, then just buy the Galaxy M30. Sorted. Well, that was my review of the Galaxy A30. Let me know in the comments below if there are some suggestions that you have for me or certain questions that you felt were unanswered. Also, make sure to subscribe to Mr. Phone and hit that bell icon to stay tuned for all our upcoming videos. Well, that's me signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.